Hey there, welcome back to the Teach and Learning channel. If you're looking to enhance your WordPress site with a user-friendly glossary and improve your SEO, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the CM Tooltip Glossary plugin. This powerful tool is perfect for any website that deals with complex terminology, and today, I'm going to show you how to use it to its full potential. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what CM Tooltip Glossary is. This is a fantastic WordPress plugin that allows you to create a detailed glossary of terms and explanations on your website. Whether you run a tech blog, educational site, or e-commerce store, it helps define specialized terms in tooltips, making them easier for your visitors to understand. Now, you might be asking, why should I use CM Tooltip Glossary on my site? Well, there are several reasons. First, user experience. The tooltips make it easy for visitors to hover over or click on a term and instantly see the definition or explanation, which keeps them engaged and enhances their experience. Second, SEO benefits. The glossary terms are automatically linked throughout your site, boosting internal linking and improving your site's SEO. Third, customization. You can adjust the design, tooltip behavior, and even organize terms into categories, all without writing a single line of code. Once activated, you'll find a new menu item called CM Tooltip Glossary in your dashboard. Let's start by adding a glossary term. Click on CM Tooltip Glossary and then add new term. Here, you'll enter the term's name. Let's say we're defining API. Then, add a description of the term. Keep your descriptions clear and concise so users can easily understand the concept. You can also add extra details, such as synonyms or related terms, which we'll discuss in a bit. Go to CM Tooltip Glossary Settings Tooltip. Here, you can enable tooltip pop-ups on hover or click. I recommend hover for most sites as it's quicker for users. You can also customize the tooltip's background color, text color, and font size to match your website's branding. Now that the tooltips and glossary are set up, let's talk about SEO optimization. The CM Tooltip Glossary plugin helps improve your site's SEO in several ways. First, internal linking. The plugin automatically links glossary terms throughout your site, enhancing internal linking and making it easier for search engines to crawl your pages. Second, meta descriptions and titles. You can customize the meta title and description for each term, making sure they're optimized for search engines. This increases your chances of ranking for long-tail keywords. Third, rich snippets. The plugin supports schema markup, which means your glossary terms can appear as rich snippets in search results, making your site more attractive to users. To keep your users engaged, you can do a couple of things with CM Tooltip Glossary. First, related terms. At the end of each glossary term, you can add related terms to encourage further exploration of your content. Second, synonyms. Adding synonyms to your glossary terms helps capture different search queries and improves the user experience. Third, feedback. Consider allowing users to suggest new terms or definitions, which helps build a more dynamic and engaging glossary. So, there you have it. CM Tooltip Glossary is a powerful, easy-to-use tool that can boost your website's SEO, enhance user experience, and help your visitors better understand your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Let me know in the comments if you've used CM Tooltip Glossary or if you have any questions about the plugin. I'd love to hear your thoughts.